Welcome to part 3 of the build log, where I will put this gearbox onto the rear component mounting rail. This is the first time I've done this, so it's going to be very exciting. I haven't actually put these two together ever before. So, as you can see, the gearbox will mount so I will have to pre-position these two nuts in the plate here so that when it comes time to put it onto the chassis, I can actually put it onto the chassis. So we'll put those in, and hopefully they won't fly everywhere. Hopefully they're snug enough that they'll just pop in. If not, no, they're not going to behave. I will just run a screw just lightly into the back of them. That way I can keep them in their in the spot where I need them to be while I work on putting the gearbox in. So we'll just run this in like that. That way the nut won't go popping out. And same here. And when it comes time to put the two of these together, I will take these two screws out and then put the plate on the chassis. Yeah, little cross-threading action going on. So, like with so many things, these are very delicate threads. So, if you feel like it's not going in correctly, back it off a little bit and try it again. Don't just keep turning, you could absolutely ruin something. And I'll put these two in here and here. So this is going to be held on by 4 screws and nuts. And for this, I think I am going to need some longer screws than the 8mm. The 8mm will work in the front, but not in the back. We'll test that theory right now. No, we're going to need longer screws, so bear with me a moment. I will get longer screws. And so the 4th screw. So this is very exciting for me because this is my first gearbox that I've printed, and it seems to be installing beautifully. So just the few teething problems that you'd expect from having a few kind of blindish holes. Yeah, no, this one isn't. And as I say that, this screw and nut don't seem to want to go in. But there it comes. There it comes. I don't want to over tighten this because this is somewhat fragile. If you put too much splitting pressure on it, I'm afraid that right in here would crack. I had a couple of those crack when I was testing out the pocket. So, but that is now a mounted gearbox, looking good. And if you can see there's some working room to get to the arm here and here. It's not bad at all.